Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn more about inheritance. Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming, and it allows one class to inherit the properties and behaviors of another class. I'll move the properties of this class to a new Kotlin class. I define it here in this package. So if you need to create a class file, you can go to the package, select new Kotlin class, and here I'll name it as ordinary robot. Go back to the file. I'll copy this to the ordinary robot. So this ordinary robot has one property in its primary constructor, which is the name, and two functions, walk and speak. The ordinary robot can turn on the light. So I'll create a new function called turn on the light. And it's very simple method, just telling us that the light is turned off. So this is our ordinary robot. I'll create a new class. I'll name it as super robot. In the same way, I need to copy the constructor from this class robot to the super robot. And this class contains additional function that allows the super robot to clean the house. And it's very simple method, just telling us that the robot is cleaning the house. Then I'll create another Kotlin class and I'll name it as firing robot. In the same way, paste the constructor and paste the walk and speak methods. I need to create another function called fire, and here just telling that the robot is fired. If you noticed, among these three classes, we have the same property called name, and we have the same two methods, walk and speak, walk and speak, walk and speak. So the ordinary robot, firing robot, super robot share the same property and some functions, which are two functions, walk and speak. So it would be a lot easier if we had a general class with the basic features like walk and speak. I need to create a new class and I'll name it as general robot. This class contains the basic features of a robot. It starts with the primary constructor val name. It's of type string. And inside this general robot, I need to copy the walk and speak functions. So now I can go to firing robot class and remove the walk and speak functions and keep the fire method. Also go to super robot. There's no need for the walk and speak function. Keep the clean house and go down to the ordinary robot, remove walk and speak functions. Keep turn on light method. So I am moving the shared and the common things between these classes to a new class called general robot, and I'm keeping the special skills, the special functions of each robot inside its class. And to tell Android Studio and Kotlin that firing robot, super robot, and ordinary robot inherit from the general robot class, I need to specify here after the constructor the colon and general robot class. So the firing robot inherits from the general robot. And of course, I need to remove the val from the constructor. General robot, Alt plus Enter to change to constructor invocation. And I've added these parentheses. Also, I need to pass the name to the general robot. So this name is passed to the super class. If we go to the super class, and by the way, this is called the super class, and these classes are called subclasses that inherits from the general robot. I need to make it as open. And in Kotlin, the open keyword is used to declare a class, function, or property as open for extension. In the next video, we'll learn about this open keyword.